No boss! No! Stop me, but it's a good tiger.
Oh my.
Oh please, that's my son. I think that's my PB, bro.
Welcome back to Seppi1, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're doing something a bit different. We're out here in the largest inland delta on planet Earth, the Okavango Delta. I'm joined here with Mano Pachamon, and he's going to be joining me for this week-long fishing trip. We have plenty of video ideas that we're going to be putting out, and hopefully some interesting catches, and we might catch some snakes, you know, some harmless ones, maybe some crocs if we get lucky, some baby ones. But yeah, enjoy the video. Jasper and my home for the next few days. We might go to a different island, but this one looks incredible. Absolutely stunning. Jasper has just found a platform in a tree over here on the right side of the island. That looks very sturdy.
You think?
I'm gonna try and climb it. So I'm up here on the platform. It feels relatively sturdy.
Sturdy enough.
And I assume the reason this was built is because of all the hippos. I saw some hippo feces down there where our boat is. So hopefully the boat isn't in their way. Although they'll just go around it, I hope. But we're going to have to sleep here for one night. We have to. We can't, you know, pass out this opportunity. What do you think, Jasper?
I think I'm about to buy.
Okay, we're going out for our first fishing trip. We just left camp, we just finished setting it up. We're gonna go out for like half an hour, then we're gonna have to be back, start a fire, and cook some nice dinner. So hopefully catch a fish, and we can get it on video for you guys.
Watch this. Mate, surely, no ways there's no fish. Jasper, if you catch a fish, how? We're being scammed over here. You're lying.
No.
I'm blaming the wind, guys. Like.
Nah, and I was facing the reed, so I couldn't strike.
You know.
Nah! I'm actually gonna kill myself.
Relax, man. That could probably get like striked on YouTube, I think. Oh, I'm on. Oh, it's a good fish. Ah, I lost it right here. Good morning, everyone. There's an absolutely beautiful sunrise down there. We've got Jasper over here. Got a fire going there, boiling some water for us. We're gonna make some nice coffee. As soon as that coffee is ready, we are going out.
Okay everyone, we are on the boat now. We are driving out of the sunset. We're going upstream. I don't know how far we're gonna go, maybe like 20 or 30 minutes up.
Then we're just gonna drift down the rest of the day. We spend the whole day on the water because we only have a limited amount of fuel. It's too good of a cast, it's insane. Well, just take us there so you don't lose as much line. My bad. All my days I'm getting my casting skills back, I'm telling you right now. We changed spots. We were in quite far down in there. We had no luck there, and tigerfish tend to like to be in the mainstream where there's a lot of fast flowing stream. I thought there was going to be a faster flowing stream in there as well, and then we're going to like drift out and then join to the mainstream, but unfortunately there wasn't, so we tried there for a bit and then had no luck. We didn't even have a bite. I think Jasper had one bite, but that's about it. I think it was a reed. Oh. Oh.
No, I'll hurt the gun. The one thing that I do when I'm hurting, I wish I was just
Trying. No, I don't think it's it. Oh!
That was a nice tiger. Oh. Ah, what are you using? That's it.
Yeah. I literally called it. I said this looked like a really good spot in front of you.
That was a nice tiger. Ah, tough like some.
Oh.
Ow.
Oh, I'm on him. Good fish, good fish, good fish. This is a good fish.
I can't get my run right now.
Jasper, get the net. I think it's a barbel. Yeah, it's a barbel. Oh, don't go under the boat, please. I don't know, but it's a really solid barbel. First fish of the weekend. I mean, of the week. Slimy. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is this is a beautiful barbel right here. So 3 kilogram, we just weighed her. And then, yeah, is she pregnant? Just fat. Okay. So we're gonna get a nice clean release here. Yeah.
Just catch this nice small tigerfish. Take a look at that teeth. Yeah, it's pretty average size to be honest. They fight flipping well, but you can see why it's called a tigerfish. Just take a look at that red and orange tails. Oh yeah, wow, amazing.
Use the sacrifice of using.
Yeah, we're gonna have to fillet him so we can get some bait and catch more. So yeah, we'll let you know if we catch more. Guys, so here's a look at this barbel. Decent size, but we're just gonna let him go because we're out here for tiger, so quick and easy release, but nice fight.
That tastes like here.
It's tiger.
That's yes, finally.
Not bad, man. 2 kilos, eh?
Yeah. Solid tiger.
Yeah, using the tiger fillet bait, so these are
See, these things are
cannibals.
fat. Extremely fat.
Just have a look at those teeth, that is stupid.
The reason they're so fat is because it's just after the barbel runs. We just missed the barbel runs because of our exams. So all these tigerfish are going to be
Just went
they're gonna be really big and really strong this time of the year. So this guy doesn't look very big, but he's quite heavy. He's probably about 2 kgs. He's quite heavy for his size.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so you're not going to see us actually striking the fish because this is like unexpected. We've been waiting for like 20 minutes before we managed to catch this guy. So a lot of it's just like we just film immediately as soon as we hook it. So you won't actually see the process unless we're lucky.
They're trying to draw me up in this hole, man.
Whoa!
The force!
Oh! It is raining.
We have to make this in the tent. We have to make our food in the tent.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go.
It is absolutely pouring. Did you close mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, quickly. Oh, the camera.
Yeah, the camera. Okay.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are at Red Cliffs. This is just the shallower sloped side. Down that side over there is the very, very steep part. You can't even climb there. It's insane. You guys will see that now. We're gonna go try and fish along that cliff over there, and the boat is down there. I'm about halfway up. Yeah, there's plenty of thorns over here. Yeah. There's another one. Give it to me. No. Oh. I had him. No. I had him. You nearly bit my arm.
Yeah, I thought he was gonna start running this way, and I went this way, and then it stepped me.
You get it on camera.
Yeah.
I had him by the turn. He turned around and he bit my arm.
Yeah, so this is the steepest part of the cliff right here. Just goes straight down. Look at that. Actually crazy, there's a nice houseboat over there. So, I don't know if you can see on the video, on the camera, but see that there are a bunch of holes there. And those holes are actually carmine bee eaters that nest in these cliffs. Okay, tie it down. The small water droplets feel like a bullet. Okay, so we've been fishing for about, what, like an hour now?
Yeah, an hour.
Yeah, about an hour. And we've just come to these stalks here, these white stalks. And usually you see them bunched up like that around a barbel run. But because it's so late in the season, it's so late for like a barbel run to happen, we're thinking that it's a bunch of, big school of tigers. But I'm thinking that it might be a very late barbel run. And we just saw like a 4 kg tigerfish just jumping around about there. It was absolutely massive. So hopefully we can catch some good tigers in this area here. I'm really hoping for some good luck right now. Because yesterday we caught nothing but a barbel and a squeaker. Jasper caught a barbel, I caught a squeaker. So at least we didn't get skunked. But it's not what we wanted. We found a barbel run.
Found a barbel run in November.
There's no, you can see the barbel over there absolutely going crazy. You'll probably, like, if we get closer, you'll hear them like clapping against the...
We're a whole month late for the barbel run.
Exactly.
This is stupid. Oh my days.
Oh my, this is a big one as well. This is a proper barbel run. This is incredibly Oh my goodness. Oh, first cast in. Yes. Yeah, it's a solid tiger as well. Oh my days. Oh, that's a good tiger. Oh. Yes. That's a good tiger. That's a solid tiger.
Oh my god.
Oh my days. This is what the...
This is stupid. This is crazy.
This is what the barbel run's about. Yeah, this is definitely a barbel. Oh yeah, 100% a barbel. If this is not a barbel, it's a big tiger. Nah, this is definitely a barbel. If this is a tiger fish, I'll give you $100. I'm joking, by the way. Yeah, no, definitely barbel. Don't go in the engine, please, 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 please. Oh my days. This is a good fish. I think. Feels like a good fish. I'm telling you. Check that out, ladies and gentlemen. Huge barbel right there. Big and slimy. Straight into the depths.
Check this guy out, dude. Pretty nice barbel. It's a small one actually. They do get a lot bigger, but I'm just gonna release him quickly. Either a cat tiger or a big barbel.
I guess this is really right shot. I can't get him off the ground. Yeah, this is what fishing is about. Oh my goodness, that's a big fish right here. Definitely side hook it. I don't really like to see that. But I'm going to get quickly release on him so that he has more chance. You got him? Open. Try and like put him. No, yeah. You should have put him there and see if you would take off. No, I caught the bird. Jasper, just move. Oh no. Wait, Jasper, get in the boat. I want to go fetch it.
I'm not driving this thing.
No, take my rod, man.
Yes, go.
Yeah, grab him.
Segway now.
No, you grab him by the feet. Let me grab. Okay. Let go of his hip.
I know. Wait, I can't see where the chase actually goes now.
The chase goes
Can
up.
you stop?
No, no, please, that was my son.
Okay. Okay, wait, I'll hold this. He's wet, yeah, he'll be good.
Oh, no, he's good, man.
Oh my. Did you see that?
Wow.
Yo, got him. I think I foul hooked him. This is a small one.
Yo, that's first.
Oh no, we're going in the reeds. No, we're going this way. Buddy, we're going this way. Come here. Come here, come here. Come here, come here. Wait a second, can't we pull start the motor?
Make sure you do not chop this.
I'll dive in.
Oh, wait.
What? Oh, well done, Jasper. Okay, just take it, Put it down in there.
You just close this. I got it all.
Okay, Alright, check out this island, guys. This is in the Philippa right now. Absolutely wonderful fishing spots here. We're gonna have lunch on one of these islands in the Philippa, so I'm looking forward to that. That's gonna be nice. Hopefully we can get some big fish on the way there. This is the island we're on for lunch.
The Okavango Delta just released that beautiful Varanus nauticus. We're just gonna check at the back here and see if there's maybe more, hopefully a snake. So not too hot, but it is not the best temperature, so we're gonna check in the shade and see what we can find. It's bushy in this area, so you have to be super careful where you put your feet, especially here where there's hippos and crocs everywhere. I mean, last night at camp we had a lion hanging around, so the lions are here, so we really have to be careful. Just take a look at this beautiful swampy area here. Great for a lot of beautiful marsh snakes. You know, I'm just walking around these logs and termite mounds and these trees, and there's just so many skinks here. I mean, you can just hear them rustling through the leaves. There really is a lot of skinks, but for some reason no snakes feeding on me. Just gonna walk along this marsh here.
Okay guys, this is a very shallow part of the river right here. We went there and we crossed those sandbanks over there. We had to take the engine out completely. So we're hoping this one is deeper, but I think it is. Yeah. Sharp. Right now. Yeah. I think it's a barbel. What is it? I think it's a barbel. Oh no, it's a small tiger. Yo, did you see how he launched that on a piece of meat? Quite a small tigerfish, but it's a tigerfish.
Alright. Oh yeah, that's definitely a barbel. Yo! That's a massive barbel.
That might be my PB.
Yo! Damn! Yo!
I think that's my PD, bro. That's gonna be like a 10 kilo.
Easily, bro.
Oh my, okay, now I'm happy, bro. And I literally, that was the moment I said, give me a 10 kilo barbel or a big tiger.